Hey, talk to me.
Again, the same thing.
So hey, tell me, what do you want? Boy or girl?
As long as it's healthy.
Okay.
I don't mind.
I wouldn't mind if it's a boy.
But boy is better actually.
You see? Okay, hey.
Thank you very much, baby. You don't know how happy I am.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you to making me a father.
Thank you too.
I love you. You know what I'm gonna do?
No?
I'm gonna buy you a brand new house.
Jeez! You're making me scream. You're gonna buy me a house?
I already talked with the agent.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You're the best. Come here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, we're gonna get a new house.
With the jacuzzi.
Oh my god. Oh,
Everything,
thank you so much.
And I'm gonna hire 4 maids for you.
Maids?
You don't have to do it. You just sit and order.
Oh, you're so sweet, you know.
Oh, you're sweet, baby.
Thank you.
The mother of my child.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I'm happy. I'm so
I'm very happy too.
Nanama. Oh my god. What am I seeing? Go here. Give me a hug. Come on, what is it?
Fafa.
Yes. That's me.
Oh.
Check me out. Come on, it's me.
Is it real? Is it real?
It's so real.
Yeah.
Hi, Otega. Hi.
Oh, come here. Let's talk. It's been a long time.
Eddie.
Hi.
Can you please find a place to sit? I'll be with you.
No problem.
Okay.
Yes,
All right. Take care.
Who's that? I don't know.
Be with you. Yeah. Now me maybe say wine you.
Then you take her
now. Okay.
Why no, ma?
Okay. That's my fiance. Oh, I should have introduced him to you.
You should have, but he's cute.
Yes, thank you. Me dance.
And then the
feel. Eh, now you
checking me out.
Fatao,
Oh,
Papa.
Brony Bapa.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Hey, I don't watch any Triana. You know,
Tissue.
Thank
you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank
Seriously,
you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Trust me, because now me okay.
Hey.
Me okay, everything is fine with me. Nah.
Maybe as I said, I'm going to be a mother soon. So
Mother soon.
Yeah.
Are you a wife?
it doesn't really matter, my
It
dear.
doesn't really matter.
What matters is I have everything.
Just on worry. For worry na wakwa mama no. Because of what? So you brony.
Sister.
Oh, please.
Sister, bebre na shaka wa na mo bre. Me tie me bro. Nana majima anya ho. Sisi ko beto new house amame.
Oh.
Fresh house for me and my baby.
I'm not surprised. I'll take out the minimum escapades. I know.
Stop acting like you're jealous.
Oh, I'm not jealous. I'm happy. Hey, I have my guy. I'm okay. I'm just fine.
That's
okay.
better.
But me dear, well, actually, me worry answer. I will get married. Me Mrs. and son am fu aba.
Anyway, and you'll be on a baby as you saw about
Anyway, but you know you dear Fafa, and you're fine. My brony who ya mamre. What's your say? You worry or bands and you're nanyam. And now you're not sniffy. What's it? Why? I'm proud. Oh, me who sent a minion. Oh, Fafa. Hey, this is nice.
Yeah, this is me.
Oh, Charlie, me from here, bon come away.
Friend. And take care of your guy.
I will,
Okay.
always.
All right, dear.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
What did you say? Hey, Fafa, cause I train what it? I be abuni baby non tiasie. Send me obidia.
Wow. What did I say? I just said you look good.
It doesn't matter. Just leave her.
I think she's jealous.
Is she?
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, I think so.
She's with a fiance.
She have something. She don't have something which you have. That's a baby. Buroni baby.
Oh, now you understand Bruni.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, that's good.
I'm a local, Charlie.
Okay, fine, bro.
Good morning, boss. But your brave is over your inquiries.
Secret Papa. Papa, yeah. Secret Papa. Papa, yeah.
Secret Papa. Yeah.
Yeah. Matras already. Ah, now the teaching.
Oh, said the goody dad, Jenya Domina, until we are Roma, and my share Makion Investment Company Limited.
Makion Investment Company Limited.
That's right.
Charlie, maybe I charo.
Matiunka. Mammy, yes, mammy, I am wild.
Oh, mammy, not somebody, your boss. Do you know what?
Tell me.
Bring them downtown. Charlie, she won't fucking, you're fucking loaded. No, papa. So I've convinced them to come to Africa, to precise Ghana, my homeland, to do big time investment. Wow. One, I know, so with Makion, I can get one of the biggest land.
Oh, no problem.
Because I want to become one of the biggest farmers in the world.
Oh.
Secondly, a nice area. It's one of the finest mansions. I'm telling you. To my word. That's why I brought. I mean, the best one in SMP.
What the problem?
Hey, Makion for a true browsing now. On internet. Charlie, the whole wide world.
America for the your website, your hand on down.
Oh, Makion. Yes, Sementia.
Farms, dear. Can me advice is a overcome Mampon. There were big land over Mampon. Good one. For farms in a party, and the men now down. Think I met you when I come Mampon. Oh, Naki, I share.
Mama kind I concur.
Now, mansion, the winner. Community 25. Kaswa.
This place is here from above and find out winter.
Oh, and I can do winner, but the winner.
Me dem smart dum wenye ma dum menya.
Charlie, you over 2,000 acres of land.
Winner or shano. 2 weeks to go. It's a my word. The investment in approval. Unia, I never from come. No, mamma, do steam.
Oh, master planner. It do be a catcher and say, and you're browning near you and
I'm my wifey. Or set I mean, I never chop.
This is Nina to me handle and TB in Anna. Oh, won't to be yet the left room.
That's a mother downtown. I remember the big star.
Auntie offer a
but with my Kion, I'm at peace.
What new problems? My
John salute.
I take it.
Secret Baba. We're on course.
Baba means what new problem?
Thank you.
Wow, this is nice. I love chicken.
Very nice. I know you love chicken.
You're looking good too.
Me love it.
That's it.
Alright.
Well, anyways, maybe I'm paid the lab results your buyouts are BB and you're okay because they're one of my worries at the moment, you know.
Men worry, BB are fine. Why?
BB are fine with you.
I know. BB are fine. Why with me, Eddie? Why not you?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Anyway, we all don't have a problem. Why?
You know,
BB are fine.
You have this long history with this Judge Kobolo, whatever, what's his name?
Oh, that's Eddie. Yeah, I'm boss Eddie. No, please.
I mean,
are you teasing me?
No, I'm not teasing, but that guy is one funny dude, you know.
Oh, friend is Kobolo.
What's the name?
Kobo.
I remember Judge Kombolo. Anyway.
I say upon it didn't say, hey, who is this? You know, that's aside. But don't worry, lab testing it here. I'm very optimistic. BB are fine. Why? Yeah. And okay, yeah. You know, maybe we're tasting BB and what did I say? Okay. Maybe we tasting BB and maybe he finds it good. Into now all DHS you haven't tasted it. It's time for you to taste it, you know?
And I know I'll be doing that. Soon, I'll be having the better part of it anyways.
After the marriage. But listen, Eddie, seriously, I respect you, pa. I respect you, pa. Say after marriage, answer. Ghana mema. Hey, pa, ben obesia pa, ope obeseska wo. Say only bibi answer now. Never I been see them. Hi, Papa.
Hi.
And we're leaving.
Oh, Moko.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the perfect time for introduction. Eddie, Madame Funi, Me yonko brebo pa.
Whoa.
How you doing?
I'm great.
I'm very pregnant.
Very, very pregnant.
Hey, take care of my sister.
I will.
Fatano Papa. He's a pilot.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're
oh,
pilots.
so when are you flying me to SA?
Get this done after.
Maybe I want to have it there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
yeah.
That's no problem.
So
My
maybe
airline.
we can talk about it.
Take our.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy, say hello. It's been a
Okay,
while.
do and let me have a
Eddie.
chit chat with
Of
Eddie.
course, baby. Take care.
All right, so then.
I love you.
Well, I love you more, baby. Maybe she can continue
Yeah.
for free,
I wish I can. I'm full.
so. With that, there's no more food for you.
Yeah, sure. So hey, how is she doing? I hope she's been a good girl.
Nanama.
Yeah.
Oh, she's an angel.
Wow.
She's an angel.
Good to hear that.
Perfect. Perfect woman.
So when am I hearing the wedding bell?
Let's see. Soon.
Really?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Wow, I'm happy for you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's taken us a long time to get where we are right now, and then things are, moving on well. It's not been easy though, but Charlie, you cool.
That's
You be
great.
okay. Nanama is a good girl.
Wow.
I mean, make sure be for people. This one, the last one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah,
Good
sure.
to hear that.
Otega.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, how you been?
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank
You
you.
look sexy.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
As always, huh?
Of course,
Thank you.
of course.
Now you're Odiana also Pavina, you look nice. Kofa Fafa.
What?
Alright, Mami Sikani been in a new year.
say
Yeah, so are you okay? No, I was just praising you. You look very nice.
Thank you very much.
I think she's been taking care of you. Anyway, I've been calling you. Your number has been why?
I
What
changed my
happened?
number.
You changed. I knew. I thought
Yes.
as much. Give me the new one, eh? Hurry up.
027
027
52
52
27
27
11
11
67.
67. I'll call you, okay? I will.
Where have you been? I want to see
Take
you.
It's been a while. Do you
Yeah,
still
I
have
know.
money?
Of course I do have money.
Okay.
I'm about to give you
Me
some
mommy
money.
bini. I mean, your body need your DDL.
Yeah,
Sikano
man.
Fabra. Cause sit down on me chromos, say, mommy, oh, Churchill. Foreign money?
Yeah, for
Okay, thank you.
Change it.
Thank you, Otega.
That's
Akwe, I didn't. What's the tree and say, Anna?
No. The I'm who saw the amount.
A baby, I'll boom it. Mama, should me phone.
Nanama. Who tell who terrorists be ram me the man be bomb me Miss Show. Miss Show who saw the BB show once house.
No, these words are too harsh for family.
Oh please. I don't mean anymore.
Terrorists say.
Why you? Who
Me
that
phone, no, me phone. Check me phone. And I bet you,
Please just go and yes I'm gonna catch you.
Oh no, you can tell him. He knows what I'm doing. When I'm
What
just
is
saying
that?
hi.
Yeah,
Why?
no. Me
Men,
pass
yes,
out.
sir. Men, yes, sir.
You, what did you give to her?
Honey, sit down.
What did you give to her?
Just a little bit.
I got her for just a minute and you call her and you're giving her something.
No, I didn't call her. She just come over here.
Sheesh.
Sit
I
down.
can't believe you, man. Just
Oh, come on.
don't piss me
Don't
off.
do
I'm
this.
going.
Come on, what I've done.